Imagine investing in the top 500 companies in the US with just one click. Sounds unreal? Welcome to the world of ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have revolutionized the way we invest. They're like a magic portal that transports us into a world where we can own a piece of hundreds, sometimes thousands of companies, all with a single purchase. It's like going to a buffet where you can sample a little of everything instead of betting all your money on a single dish. That's the beauty of ETFs. They offer diversification, and as any seasoned investor will tell you, diversification is key to reducing investment risk. But here's the thing. Not all ETFs are created equal. Some are like those premium buffets that offer the best of the best. They're a collection of high-performing companies that have the potential to yield impressive returns. And today, we're going to talk about 3 such ETFs: SCHD, VOO, and QQQM. SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, is a dream come true for those who love steady income. It's like a golden goose that lays eggs of dividends. It's a collection of high dividend-yielding US stocks, handpicked for their financial health and stability. VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, is your ticket to the high table. It tracks the S&P 500 index, allowing you to invest in 500 of the largest U.S. companies. It's like being invited to a VIP party where you rub shoulders with the likes of Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. QQQM, the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF, is a futuristic spaceship that takes you on a journey into the realm of technology and innovation. It's a selection of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq. So why could SCHD, VOO, and QQQM be the best ETF combo in 2025? Let's unravel this mystery. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Ever heard of an ETF that aims to pay you back? Meet SCHD. As you navigate the investment landscape, it is essential to understand the unique nature of SCHD, a dividend-focused ETF. SCHD, or the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, is not just about buying and holding, it's about earning. It's a unique investment vehicle that provides investors with a steady income stream, making it a dream for dividend investors. Here's how it works. SCHD tracks an index of high dividend-yielding US stocks. These are companies that have a track record of consistently paying dividends. So, when you invest in SCHD, you're investing in a collection of these dividend-paying heavyweights. And what's the result? A steady flow of income in the form of dividends. Now you might be wondering, how has SCHD performed in the past? Well, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Over the past decade, SCHD has consistently outperformed the broader market. It has delivered a steady stream of income to its investors while also providing solid capital appreciation. But it's not just about the past. As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future and look towards 2025, SCHD stands as a promising option for investors. As companies recover from the economic turmoil of recent years, many are expected to increase their dividends, potentially leading to even bigger payouts for SCHD investors. Furthermore, SCHD's focus on dividend consistency and growth means it tends to invest in more stable, established companies. These companies are often better equipped to weather economic downturns, making SCHD a potentially safer bet in uncertain times. So, if you're looking for an investment that doesn't just sit there, if you're looking for an investment that pays you back, then SCHD might just be your answer. It's not just a ticket to the world of equities. It's a ticket to a world of consistent, reliable earnings. With SCHD, you're not just investing, you're earning. Imagine owning a piece of the S&P 500. With VOO, it's not just a dream. The Vanguard S and P 500 ETF, better known by its ticker symbol VOO, is a powerhouse in the world of exchange-traded funds. It's designed to track the performance of the S&P 500, the benchmark index that represents 500 of the largest companies in the United States. So, when you invest in VOO, you're essentially buying a small piece of these 500 companies. It's like holding the pulse of the American economy right in your portfolio. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, the S&P 500 has been a reliable performer for decades. It has weathered recessions, booms, and busts, and over the long term, it has delivered solid returns. And VOO, as a faithful tracker of this index, brings that performance to your doorstep. But it's not just about past performance. It's also about the future. And as we look ahead to 2025, there's reason to believe that VOO will continue to be a solid choice for investors. Why? Because the U.S. economy is diverse and resilient. It's powered by technology, healthcare, finance, consumer goods, and many other sectors. This diversity is reflected in the S&P 500 and, by extension, in VOO. So when you invest in VOO, you're not just betting on a single company or a single sector. You're betting on the entire U.S. economy. Another reason is cost. VOO is known for its low expense ratio. This means more of your money goes towards your investment rather than fees. And in the world of investing, every penny counts. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, VOO offers a simple and cost-effective way to gain broad exposure to the U.S. stock market. It's a way to participate in the growth and dynamism of the U.S. economy without having to pick individual stocks. With VOO, you're buying a ticket to the heart of the U.S. economy. Want a piece of the tech giants? QQQM is your answer. When it comes to investing, technology is the sector that continues to outperform time and time again. The world is going digital and tech companies are leading the charge. This is where QQQM, or the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF, comes into play. QQQM provides you with a unique opportunity to invest in the Nasdaq, especially the tech sector. This index is home to some of the biggest names in technology, including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. When you invest in QQQM, you're essentially buying a slice of these tech giants. What makes QQQM such a smart choice for future investors? One word: diversification. Unlike investing in individual stocks, where your success hinges on the performance of a single company, QQQM allows you to spread your investments across 100 different companies. This means your investment is less likely to be affected by the poor performance of any one company. But it's not just about tech. QQQM also includes companies from other sectors that are listed on the Nasdaq. This allows for a more balanced and diversified portfolio, reducing risk while still offering exposure to the high growth potential of the tech sector. Now you may be wondering about the cost of investing in QQQM. The good news is that it has a lower expense ratio compared to many other ETFs. This means you get to keep more of your returns, making it a cost-effective way to invest in the future of technology. Looking towards the future, the tech sector shows no signs of slowing down. With advancements in areas like artificial intelligence, robotics, and quantum computing, the tech industry is poised for explosive growth. By investing in QQQM, you're not just investing in today's tech leaders. You're investing in the innovators and pioneers of tomorrow. So if you're looking for a smart, cost-effective way to capitalize on the growth of the tech sector, consider adding QQQM to your portfolio. Remember, the future is digital, and QQQM offers an opportunity to be part of that future. With QQQM, you're investing in the future of technology. Combine SCHD's dividends, VOO's broad market exposure, and QQQM's tech focus, and you've got a powerful investment combo. This is not just a mere statement, it's a strategy for diversification, growth, and income. A plan that could set you on a course towards financial prosperity in 2025 and beyond. Let's delve a little deeper, shall we? First, we have SCHD, a fund that focuses on dividends. Dividends are a way for companies to share their profits with shareholders. They provide a steady stream of income, which can be particularly beneficial in times of market volatility. SCHD gives you access to a basket of high dividend-yielding companies, providing a consistent source of income. Then we have VOO, an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. This fund gives you broad exposure to the U.S. stock market, including companies from every sector. It's like holding a miniature version of the entire market in your portfolio. With VOO, you're not just betting on one horse, you're betting on the entire race. This kind of diversification can reduce risk and potentially improve returns. Lastly, we have QQQM. This fund focuses on the tech sector, one of the fastest growing sectors of the market. With QQQM, you're investing in tomorrow's giants today. You're getting a piece of the companies that are pushing the boundaries of innovation, the ones that could shape our future. By combining these three ETFs, you're not just diversifying your portfolio, you're also balancing it. You're balancing income with SCHD's dividends, broad market exposure, with VOO's S&P 500 tracking, and growth potential with QQQM's tech focus. It's a combo that could be a game changer for your investment strategy in 2025. Remember, the future of investing is here with SCHD, VOO, and QQQM. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed the content. Stay tuned for more insightful investment tips.